This is example 6 of the Lab 4 for Math 100. We have the following exponent rules that we're going to be using to simplify expressions. So for example 6, we want to simplify negative 9 times x to the 6th to all this to the power of 2 times negative 3 x to the 5th, all this to the power of 3. So the first thing we're going to do, first rule we're going to use, is this rule right here for both this expression and this expression. So we're going to put our 2 to negative 9. So this is the same thing as negative 9 squared times x to the 6th, and this is squared. And then since this is just multiplication, you can just write it like this, times negative 3 to the cubed, because this is a 3, times x to the 5th, and this cubed. So all we did just now was we just used the second rule on this expression to get this, and also the second rule on this expression to get this. Okay, so moving on, there are two expressions here that we can just simply solve right off the bat. So negative 9 squared is negative 9 times negative 9, which is going to be 81. I'm just going to leave this blank for a moment and just solve the numbers. So negative 3 cubed is going to be negative 3 times negative 3, which is going to be positive 9. Positive 9 times negative 3 is going to be negative 27. And we're going to have a little blank space here. So to simplify this expression and this expression, we need to use the second rule here. We have a power within a power. And when we have a power within a power, we're going to multiply those two powers. So we have x to the 6th, all to the power of 2. So 6 times 2 is going to be 12. And then we have a power to a power here. We have x to the 5th to the power of 3. Multiplying 5 times 3 is going to be 15. So now we're just going to combine our like terms. So 81 times negative 27, if you plug that into a calculator, you get negative 2187. And then we have x to the 12 times x to the 15. And so we have to use one last exponent rule to simplify this expression right here. And that is when we are multiplying two expressions where the bases are the same and the exponents are different, we're just going to add the exponents. So we have 12 plus 15. We have 2187x. 12 plus 15 is going to give us 27. And this is the most it can be simplified.